I took a video of Elsa and...
Yeah, well, I'll just take it till it runs out. We got enough for now.
You do it one time, you're good.
Are these the Bellows Falls Angels, or what's your... They come in many shapes.
The Rockingham Rockets, right?
Right.
Yeah.
You see that hammer gun? What? That orange one. I can't believe that don't go down. Really can't believe that.
Where if it's standing up and hit it?
You should hit it. Hit it that way.
Stand it up against another tire. See what I mean? Put a tire
Get
here.
another tire.
Drop that tire and yeah, smash tire and
No, I got one in the back of my truck, Josh.
it ain't gonna